This news is brought to you by San Miguel Pale Pilsen. Sarap laging kasama.
Tatak RMN.
Bilang isang ina, marami akong obligasyong kinakaharap araw-araw. Ramdam ko ang sakit ng katawan, parang tinutusok-tusok. Kaya sa simula pa lang ng sakit ng katawan, Omega Painkiller agad ang kasama. Dahil may lamig-init sensation na manunuot in as fast as 30 seconds. Para sa gaanong pakiramdam na magaan sa bulsa. Kaya para sa mga ina na patuloy na nagtataguyod ng pamilya, Omega Painkiller. Kasama ko sa araw-araw. Methylsalicylate plus camphor plus menthol is a generic name of Omega Painkiller. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Pilit with Batang San Miguel. Ilabas! Magkwentuhan tayo. Pilit na ilabas mo. Makikinig ako. Pilit na ilabas ang kwento. O San Miguel tayo. Pilit na ilabas mo. San Miguel, Pilsen, sarap laging kasama. Drink responsibly. Ang San Miguel Pale Pilsen 320 ml, 40 SRP lang. Ang Grande, 105 SRP lang. Bili na! Drink responsibly.
Tatak RMN.
Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya, new white rose papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use. Boom, puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah. Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality. ACS.
Dalawa lang yan, pag-asa o pangamba. Suriin ang iyong sarili. Tunay nga bang handa ka na sa pagdating ni Jesus? Kaya ngayon, kailangan magsisi na kayo. Lumapit sa Diyos para patawarin niya ang inyong mga kasalanan at matanggap niyo ang bagong kalakasan. Acts 3 verses 19 to 20. Repent. Turn to Jesus today. He is the only way to heaven. Brought to you by MX3.
Mag-MX3 araw-araw para MX-Extraordinary.
Nawawala, bumabalik. Oh, eto na naman!
Taligayatamin ba dito mga tulor ti kwerpo?
Huwag mag-alala with Skelan. Isang tableta, up to 12 hours long-lasting bisa.
Por eso hindi na ito nasisita tungkol bakit ma.
Skelan! Unilab yan.
Naproxen sodium is the generic name of Skelan. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
That portion was brought to you by Tanduay Rum 5 years. Tibay ng loob, tibay Tanduay.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Base.
Tanggaling-galing mo, Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Kahit para walang mahiginis, fantastic sa metal at plastic, #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo, Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart dishwashing paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Ang batang Pinoy, batang tiki-tiki.
Noon at ngayon, ang lagang subok ni Mommy ang tiki-tiki. Drops for babies, syrup for kitties.
Sweet ang tiki-tiki.
Unilab yan. Mahalagang paalala, ang tiki-tiki ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing, para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Alas 8:28.
This time check is brought to you by San Mig Light. Get into the light life with San Mig Light. This time check is brought to you by Land Bank, serving the nation. That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Tatak RMN.
Maski donde, hasta cuando. Tatak RMN.